Lagos State is the only state that have 5 immigration offices. Okay, you must check your center availability before you start your application. You start application from here. Can you see? We have to apply for new passport. So you click here and you insert your NIN. So can you see? I've made the payment 50,500 naira. So and now let's confirm on their website. Okay, congratulations. So my appointment I will book to 24 of this month. Can you see? So and I can print. All right, welcome back. This is Samuel Yorinde. In this video I want to show you how to apply for your Nigerian International Passport yourself in 4 weeks or less. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video for you not to miss some valuable information. So take note of this. Don't skip any part. Watch to the end so you won't end up asking questions that I've answered. Also, like this video, drop your question in the comment box, and let's get started. So these are the things we'll be doing in this video: applying from Nigeria, capturing at home, uploading images and documents to upload, and making payments. So let's get started. So you go to immigration website. This is the website, passport.immigration.gov.ng. okay, so once you go to the website, you will land on this interface. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, you can go through all this information right here. So it is what you need to know, and they say all citizens of Nigeria, either by birth, descent, adoption, registration or naturalization, are eligible for a Nigerian passport, provided they satisfy all conditions prescribed by law. Nigerian citizens by naturalization, registration, adoption and surrogacy can only process their application at the NIS headquarters, Abuja. So make sure this thing, you just don't go for, say we are introducing a premium service option for applicants who wish to fast track their passport application. Click here to learn more. So you don't need this. Okay, you don't need this. So don't click anything here. So first thing you need to do, you can check here. Maybe you want to apply for fresh passport. Okay, maybe you don't have passport before, you click here. If you want to renew your passport, you click here. Okay, if you want to correct your data, you click here. Maybe you have applied before and maybe you want to renew your passport and you want to make some corrections. Okay, so maybe you're already filling your form or doing application on their website before and you want to continue. You see, resume, and maybe you have paid. Okay, you have paid for the passport, you have applied, you click here. You click here to check your status. So we also get to that stage. Also, I will also show you those ones too. So and this one too, booking appointment. Also, I will also show you that also. Okay, I will also show you how to book an appointment. But the first thing before you apply for international passport, don't make this mistake. Okay, first of all, check your center availability of the country, of your location. Okay, of your present location, of your current location. Okay, so maybe you need this passport this month. Now I'm recording this video March, okay, 2025. So and this March now, and as at now I think today is 16 or 17. So if you are applying for passport and you know that you need the passport this same March, in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks you want to collect your passport, and you know that you will not be able to, you are not leaving your location, because some people are making mistake. You want to apply, you are in Abuja, you went to Abuja to maybe for a conference or for a business purpose. I know that this conference might finish. You might be before the 1 month. Don't even bother. Choose your location. Choose your resident location. Maybe you are in Lagos, you just travel to Abuja for it. Don't choose Abuja because maybe you need it to make sure because when you later have issue, once you start your application and you have made payment, you will not be able to change your processing state again. So let's check our center availability for our location. So you can see I'm in Nigeria and I want to check my center availability. So let's check it. So as you can see, my preferred location, it is Nigeria. As you can see, this is Nigeria already, and I want to find the available appointment. I'm in Lagos. So as you can see, we have all the immigration state offices in Nigeria. These are the offices. Okay, so now maybe I'm in Lagos. Now you want to check your location, just come to this option here. Can you see here? just search for your location. If it is Lagos, Rivers State, Enugu, Ibadan, or your state, just search for you. You'll be able to see your location, okay? Your location in Lagos State. I think Lagos State is the only state that have 5 immigration offices, okay? So another maybe one like Ibadan now, they have only one. Port Harcourt, they have only 2. So you can just search for your own location and you're able to check your center availability. So as you can see now, in Alausa, March 24. Can you see? Alausa, March 24. Alimosho, March 17. Festac, March 24. Ikorodu, March 24. Alagun, March 24. Hope you understand now. I think you understand me now. So that you must check your center availability before you start your application. So you'll be able to know the date you will fix for yourself. That okay, I want to apply. I need this passport so day, and I want to apply for my passport so day. I want to collect it before this day. So before you even apply, you already know the date you want to go and collect your passport, and you know where you will be that moment for you to be able to collect your passport at the right time. Hope you understand. So now, after you have checked your availability, you have no way to. So it's for you to start your application. So we start application from here. Can you see? We have to apply for new passport. So you click here and you insert your NIN. That is the first thing you need to do. Insert your NIN. So let me insert my NIN. So before you can see here, you need to once you put your NIN, maybe you type your NIN, so something like this. You type your NIN, it is number though. Hope you understand. So NIN is this number. So let me just paste the NIN here, and you paste your number, your date of birth. Yeah, you choose your date of birth. You choose the year. So let me just choose like date. Maybe it is 17. Let me choose one month. Let me say June and 1997. Let me just say 1997. And you type this code here. This code shown here, 8432. Let's just put it here. So 8432. So once you verify your information, so it will be your data like this, like your name, your first name, your middle name, your last name. So you just need to click here and confirm and continue. Okay, just confirm and continue. So once you reach here, you need to your citizenship. Is it by birth? Naturalization, you put birth, by birth. Processing state, that's what I'm saying. If it is Abuja, you want to process this, just put it. I'm choosing for my own. I'll be using Lagos. Can you see? So, and processing office, that is where I said to search for, like you see, Alausa, Alimosho. So I'm choosing Alimosho here, and can you see here? It will even tell you to check for your appointment availability before you continue. So you can still go ahead and check again. Your booklet, is it 32 pages or 64 pages? You choose the one you want. You can see validity is 5 years. So you check here. I hereby confirm I've checked my appointment availability at choosing processing state. So you save, maybe you want to save or continue. And take note of this: whenever you are applying for your international passport, make sure you copy this reference number. Okay, this reference number is important. Okay, so it's important because if you don't copy this, maybe you are filling your information and later maybe your phone off, or you need to start the application all over again. But if you have this, you copy it like this and you copy it to your phone, okay, and save it somewhere. Okay, so let's continue. So here they are telling you most people stop there because they don't know how to upload their passports. Most people stop here, but they don't know how to upload your passport. So I guess you download, you snap your picture. You can see what they are telling you here. This is the requirement of the passport they are asking you to upload. Okay, you can see this one. They say they want your face like this. You can see. Can you see? If you are a woman, your face must be straight. Don't frown your face, don't laugh, don't open teeth. Okay, so can you see what they are accepting here? So you can also read this, because I don't want this video to be long. You can just go through this test and see their requirements. Okay, so you will not face ICO guidelines. So now I want to upload this photo. Now can you see this person? So I want to submit. You see? Okay, let me submit. As you can see, I don't have any issue with ICO problem. So, and let's continue. And as you can see here, it say please copy your reference number. Can you see? Please copy the reference number for the application. This will be required for retrieval of your application and appointment booking. Okay, you know, I've copied it before and I can still copy it again. I've already copied it before, so let me just, I don't need to copy it, but you can still copy it if you don't, before you have not copied it before, so you can still copy it here and check this please and press okay. So continue. So you need to fill all this information and the documents you need to fill, and all this asterisk you are seeing, this red, it is compulsory for you to fill all this information that has this asterisk, this email and everything. So as you can see, so these are the informations you need to require. So as you have reached it, you need some information for you not to be able to make a mistake when you are filling your information, for your money to not get stopped. So many people have been having issue, and we try resolving issue every day, calling immigration, letting them know, solving problems. So if you don't want to face this issue by yourself, I advise you to take this. So this is the complete course, do it yourself international passport. Can you see? This is the link to the website. Can you see? I will drop this link below you are watching this video. Around this video you'll be able to find this link to purchase it. It is only, I'm running promo on it now, it is 3,500 naira. Okay, can you see? 3,500 naira, and you'll be able to do it yourself. Okay, you'll be able to do it yourself, avoid delays, rejection. So can you see? And as you can see, I have a lot of people that have purchased this course. Can you see? One of my students in my paid group, and he said, I'm so excited, just collect my passport now. Thank you so much, Samuel, for your guidance. You are a godsend. Can you see? Just go through it by yourself and you will see a lot of people have gotten this already and they have testimonies all over. Okay, so I will keep this video, I will keep this link below this video, around this video, either in comment section or in the video description. Anyway, just look for the link and get access today. Okay, get access today. And why I will say I don't want you to make mistake, you are spending, as at now I'm recording this video now, international passport now, if you are paying it, you are paying 50,500 as at today for 5 years. And if you are going for 10 years, you are paying 1,000 naira for 10 years as at the time I'm recording this video. So just make sure you get this so you will not waste your money. I have a lot of people that have paid twice for this international passport for 5 years because they made a mistake, because they just go ahead and watch a video and say, I can go through, and because they don't have the right guidance. If you are in the community, you know the right, from this course you will know the right passport, what to do, what not to do. Maybe you want to apply for your children, for your family. With this course you'll be able to guide you through step by step on how to go about it. So thank you, and I'll see you in the other side.